Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let me teach you how can you turn off time-sensitive notifications on your Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So if you are on your iPhone guys, I'll show you also. So go over to your settings, and if you're on your iPhone, like I said, you just have to scroll down until you see Snapchat here and just press the Snapchat icon right there, and then you will see there the time sensitive notifications under always deliver immediately. So just turn that off, take the green icon right there, and just take that, and it will be disabled guys. But if you are on Android guys like mine, so it's just basically the same steps. I'll show you guys. So go over to the search settings. It will be slightly different guys because iPhone doesn't have manage apps or app manager. So just search for manage apps right here and search for Snapchat. And once you are here, you just have to go on over onto notifications here, and to access the time sensitive notifications on Android, just go over to miscellaneous and just turn this off right there. So there, that is equivalent to the time sensitive notifications from iPhone to Android guys. So there guys, just turn this off and you will be good to go. So okay guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.